the process, the physical things that you go do are completely identical to a man. You pick exercises that are upper body weighted exercises and you do them consistently over time. So it wouldn't look very different if you're looking at the behaviors of a female and a male. The big difference is females are just going to build muscle a little bit slower, and that's for hormonal reasons, but it's the same exercises. So the first things I would lean into are pushing exercises and pulling exercises that are compound. I think that would be the criteria. And within that criteria, there are many options. The options I usually pick are not machine-based, so a barbell pushing exercise, which would include an overhead press or a bench press or something, in between. And pulling exercises could be pull-ups or bent over rows, lat pulls, seated rows. All of those are compound upper body pushing and pulling exercises that people could focus on.